The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Salmon patties, also called salmon cakes or salmon croquettes, are one of the great thrifty classics of American home cooking. The idea is simple. Take canned salmon, bind it with egg and a little flour or breadcrumbs, season it well, and pan-fry the patties until they're golden and crispy on the outside while staying moist and flaky within. For generations of families, especially in the American South and in Catholic households observing meatless Fridays, salmon patties were a weeknight staple, inexpensive, filling, and on the table in minutes. The version below comes from the Gone Fishin cookbook by the Mr. Prawn Food Test Kitchen. It uses 2 cans of red salmon, the richer, more deeply flavored variety, bound with eggs and all-purpose flour rather than breadcrumbs, leavened with a touch of baking powder for lift, and seasoned with onion powder, salt, and pepper. The patties are fried quickly in vegetable oil, just 1 to 2 minutes per side, until golden. The cookbook also includes an easy dill sauce, sour cream, mayonnaise, lemon juice, and dried dill to serve alongside. All recipes widely praised Best Salmon Patties follows the same essential architecture: canned salmon, egg, a binder, and quick pan frying, but uses breadcrumbs and fresh chopped onion. Simply Recipes dresses the same base up with garlic, dill, bell pepper, paprika, and lemon zest. All 3 agree on the fundamentals: drain the salmon well, bind it lightly without overworking the mixture, and fry in hot oil until crisp. Red salmon is recommended across sources for its superior flavor and firmer texture. Main ingredients: canned red salmon, drained and flaked, skin and bones discarded, 2 cans, binders and leavening, eggs, 2, all-purpose flour, 1 cup, baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon, seasonings, onion powder, 1 teaspoon, salt, 1/2 teaspoon, black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, for frying, vegetable oil, 1/4 cup, optional dill sauce, sour cream, 1 cup, mayonnaise, 1/2 cup, lemon juice, 2 teaspoons, dried dill weed, 1 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. No cooking in this section. These are the prep steps to complete before you turn on the stove. Step 1. Drain and flake the salmon. Open both cans of red salmon and drain off the liquid thoroughly. Discard the skin and the round backbone pieces. The soft, pin bones are edible and can be crushed in for added calcium, but removing them gives a smoother patty. Flake the salmon into a large mixing bowl, breaking up any large chunks with a fork. Step 2. Measure the dry ingredients. Into the same bowl with the flaked salmon, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. The baking powder gives the patties a slight lift so they're not dense. The onion powder adds savory depth without the moisture of raw onion. Step 3. Add the eggs. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl. The eggs are the primary binder. They hold the salmon and flour together so the patties don't crumble in the skillet. Step 4. Mix and form patties. Mix all ingredients together until well combined. Use your hands or a sturdy spoon. Do not overmix. You want the salmon to stay somewhat flaky, not turn into a paste. Form the mixture into 6 equal-sized patties, about 3 inches across and roughly 1/2 inch thick. Press them firmly enough to hold their shape, but don't compress them too hard. Step 5. Prepare the dill sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of dried dill weed. Mix well and refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving so the flavors meld. Cooking steps. No prep in this section. Everything below assumes your ingredients are ready. Step 1. Heat the oil. Pour 1/4 cup of vegetable oil into a large skillet and set it over medium-high heat. Wait until the oil is hot but not smoking. You can test by flicking a tiny crumb of the salmon mixture into the pan. It should sizzle immediately. The oil should shimmer and coat the bottom of the skillet evenly. Step 2. Fry the patties in batches. Carefully place the salmon patties into the hot oil, working in batches so you don't crowd the pan. Crowding drops the oil temperature and leads to steaming rather than frying. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until each side is a deep golden brown and crispy. Gently flip each patty once with a wide spatula. Step 3. Drain on paper towels. As each patty finishes cooking, transfer it to a platter lined with paper towels. This absorbs the excess oil and keeps the crust crisp. Briefly let them rest, 1 to 2 minutes, so the exterior sets. Step 4. Serve immediately. Arrange the salmon patties on a serving plate. If you made the dill sauce, spoon it alongside or dollop it on top. Garnish with lemon wedges and fresh dill sprigs if desired. The patties are best enjoyed hot, straight from the skillet.